Have you ever wondered how one small act of kindness can change someone's entire day? Today, we'll dive into the story of Lily, a little girl with a big heart. Stay tuned till the end, because not only will you learn a powerful lesson, but I'll also share the meaning of 5 new words to boost your vocabulary. Lily was a cheerful 10-year-old who loved exploring her neighborhood. One sunny morning, she noticed an old man struggling to carry heavy grocery bags. Lily paused. She thought, should I help? What if he doesn't want me to? Her curiosity pushed her forward. She asked politely, "Sir, may I help you?" The man smiled warmly and said, "Thank you, young lady." That would mean a lot. Together, they carried the bags home. The man shared stories of his youth, adventures, and even taught Lily a new word, gratitude. Lily realized that helping someone not only makes them happy, but also teaches us something new. Now here's something to think about. What if Lily had walked away? She would have missed a chance to learn, connect, and grow. Sometimes curiosity leads us to the most meaningful experiences. The moral of Lily's story is simple. Kindness costs nothing, but it can mean everything. When you're curious and compassionate, you open doors to learning and friendship. Before we end, let's learn 5 words from today's story. Cheerful, happy and positive. Struggling, having difficulty doing something. Polite, showing respect and good manners. Gratitude, feeling thankful. Compassionate, showing care and concern for others. And now you not only enjoyed Lily's story, but you also learned 5 new words to use in your daily life.